Welcome to AI in 8 minutes or less, your daily AI update. So Google has just dropped something pretty huge, Gemma 4. This is the next evolution of its open model family, and trust me, it's a release you're going to want to pay close attention to. Today, we're breaking down what makes this a potential game changer in the world of accessible AI.
You can just feel the excitement buzzing around the community with quotes like this. And you know what? It's totally deserved. Google keeps dropping these powerful tools into the open source world, and this latest one is a perfect example of why that's so awesome. All right, so what's the secret sauce here? Well, the main story with Gemma 4 is this massive leap in efficiency. We're talking about getting absolutely top-tier performance from models that are honestly surprisingly small.
Okay, so what does a phrase like intelligence per parameter actually mean for you? It means you're getting some incredible reasoning and capability out of a model that's small enough to run on your own GPU, right there at your desk, not on some giant server farm in the cloud.
And that is the million-dollar question, isn't it? I mean, it's one thing to be small and efficient, but can it actually hang with the much larger models out there? Well, let's take a look at the data. Okay, now this is where it gets really interesting. Take a look at the ELO score. That's basically a performance ranking, kind of like how chess players are rated. Gemma 4, with just 31 billion parameters, is performing at the exact same level as Qwen 3.5, which is a monster model with nearly 400 billion parameters. That is just a wild achievement in efficiency. So what this really boils down to is that for the first time, a whole lot of people can run a model this powerful on just normal, medium to high-end consumer hardware. The barrier to entry for truly capable local AI just got way lower for everyone. Indie devs, researchers, you name it. And Google didn't just give us one model. Nope, they released a whole family, each one designed for different uses, from powerful workstations all the way down to your phone. So the lineup has the big 31 billion parameter model, a 26 billion mixture of experts model, which is super clever about only using the parts it needs, and then you've got these two smaller E models. E stands for effective. So what does that actually mean? Effective parameters is basically a really clever engineering trick. Instead of just throwing more raw computing power at the problem, it uses these tiny, super fast lookup tables inside the model to boost performance. This makes it incredibly efficient for running on things like your phone or even a Raspberry Pi without killing the battery. Okay, so it's efficient. We get it. But what can these models actually do? Well, we're moving way beyond just simple chatbots here and into some seriously complex stuff. The advanced reasoning is great, sure, but the native support for function calling, that's a true game changer. It means the model is built from the ground up to talk to other tools and APIs, which makes it perfect for building autonomous agents. Oh, and it can generate code, turning your own machine into a really powerful sidekick. And get this, it's not just about text. All the Gemma 4 models can natively process video and images. This is fantastic for things like understanding charts or pulling text out of an image, right, on your own device. Now, let's talk context window, how much information the model can remember at once. The 128K for the smaller models is pretty standard and solid. The 256K window on the bigger models is, maybe a little more limited than some folks were hoping for, but it's still really capable for most things you'd throw at it. So this is all cool, but let's get practical. What does this release actually mean for you, right here, right now? Well, for starters, this isn't just hype. The 31 billion parameter model is currently ranked number 3 in the world on the Arena AI leaderboard. That means it's competing with and even beating models that are way bigger. And check this out. For reliability, on a key test for agent-like tasks called Tool Call 15, the 31B model scored a perfect 100%. If you're building agents that have to reliably use tools, this model is absolutely ready to go. And the best part? You can get your hands on it today, like right now. It's already available on all the major platforms you'd expect. Hugging Face, Llama, LM Studio, you name it. You can download it this minute and start experimenting. And for anyone out there thinking about building a business on this, here's the best news of all. Gemma 4 is released under the Apache 2.0 license. That means it is commercially permissive. You are free to use it to build and sell your own products and applications. So all of this leads to one pretty fascinating final question.
With models this powerful and this efficient, are we on the verge of having a truly capable private AI assistant running locally on every single one of our devices? The release of Gemma 4 kind of suggests that future might be closer than we think. If you enjoyed this, subscribe to AI in 8 Minutes and never miss what matters.